Welcome to Bike Future, where we bring you the latest insights on the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout 117, a bike that's sure to make waves. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a Harley enthusiast, this bike combines classic styling with modern performance that could redefine your riding experience. Let's take a closer look at what the 2026 Breakout 117 has to offer. Design and styling. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout 117 retains the iconic chopper-inspired look that has defined its predecessors but with a fresh, modern twist. The long, low profile exudes a sense of power and style. The wide 240mm rear tire creates an aggressive stance while maintaining stability on the road. New for 2026, the bike features sleek, sharp lines, and more refined detailing, making it not only a performance machine but also a standout work of art. Customization options are extensive, allowing riders to truly make the Breakout their own. Whether you opt for vibrant color options or chrome enhancements, the Breakout offers a perfect balance between classic Harley charm and modern flair. Engine and performance. Underneath the stylish exterior, the 2026 Breakout 117 is powered by the Milwaukee 8117 engine, an absolute powerhouse. This engine delivers an impressive 125 pound-foot of torque, offering outstanding acceleration and power for any rider. Harley-Davidson has engineered this bike to provide an exhilarating yet smooth ride, thanks to its refined engine management system and top-notch exhaust setup. The Breakout 117 has been built for cruising with ease but still gives you that thrilling sense of freedom when you twist the throttle. Whether you're taking it down the highway or navigating winding roads, the engine's responsiveness and smoothness will make every ride a memorable one. Handling and ride quality. One of the key updates for the 2026 model is the enhanced suspension system. The Breakout 117 comes equipped with fully adjustable front and rear suspension, providing a tailored ride that suits both long-distance touring and short, aggressive rides. This ensures that the bike remains stable at high speeds, while also providing comfort when riding on uneven surfaces. The low-slung frame and forward foot controls create a relaxed, laid-back riding position, perfect for cruising in style. Whether you're in city traffic or enjoying a long stretch of open road, the Breakout's handling is smooth, responsive, and incredibly stable. Technology and features. While Harley-Davidson has stayed true to its roots, the 2026 Breakout 117 introduces several modern tech features that will appeal to a wide range of riders. It includes a fully digital display, giving you clear, easy-to-read information about your speed, fuel levels, and trip data. The bike is also equipped with advanced rider safety features, such as ABS, traction control, and ride modes, ensuring that riders have complete control in difference.